We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive and honest assessment of the Owala Kids FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle with straw, 16 ounces, in the celestial sphere color. If you own this bottle, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Owala Kids FreeSip water bottle is designed with both parents and children in mind, offering a blend of durability, convenience, and innovative features. This 16-ounce insulated stainless steel bottle stands out for its patented FreeSip spout, which enables users to drink upright through a built-in straw or tilt the bottle back to swig from the spout opening. This dual functionality is frequently praised by users, who note that it encourages kids to drink more water throughout the day and accommodates different drinking preferences, whether sipping during class or taking a big gulp after sports practice. A core feature of the Owala Kids FreeSip is its push-button lid with a secure lock, making the bottle truly leak-proof. Parents and users consistently report that the bottle does not leak, even when tossed into backpacks or carried upside down. The protective push-to-open lid also keeps the spout clean, which is a significant benefit for hygiene, especially for children who take their bottles to school, sports, or outdoor adventures. The carry loop doubles as a locking mechanism, providing additional security and making it easy for kids to transport the bottle, even when their hands are full. Double wall insulation is another highlight, keeping drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Many reviewers mention that ice remains frozen for a day or more, even in hot weather or after long periods of travel. This feature is especially appreciated by parents and children alike, as it ensures refreshing hydration throughout the day. The wide opening of the bottle allows for easy cleaning and adding ice, although some users note that the opening is just small enough to make it a challenge for larger hands to reach inside for thorough cleaning. For this reason, several users recommend purchasing a bottle brush or a straw cleaner to maintain hygiene, especially in the nooks and crannies of the straw and silicone seal. Constructed from BPA-free, lead-free, and phthalate-free stainless steel, the Owala Kids FreeSip is safe for everyday use. The bottle is designed for cold liquids only and should not be used with hot beverages. The cup itself is hand wash only, while the lid is dishwasher safe, which simplifies routine cleaning. The bottle is not microwave or oven safe, as expected for insulated stainless steel products. In terms of durability, users consistently report that the Owala Kids FreeSip withstands rough handling without developing dents or breaking. The handle and other components remain intact even after months of daily use, which is particularly important for children who may not always be gentle with their belongings. The bottle's sleek, simple design and variety of color combinations are also frequently mentioned as positives, making it appealing to both kids and adults. The celestial sphere color is especially popular for its vibrant and unique appearance. Performance-wise, the Owala Kids FreeSip excels in keeping water cold for extended periods. Many users share experiences of finding ice still intact after a full day at school or even after long flights and theme park visits. The bottle's ability to maintain temperature is a major selling point, distinguishing it from many competitors. The FreeSip spout is widely regarded as a genius design, allowing for both straw sipping and open-mouth swigging. This versatility makes the bottle suitable for a wide range of activities, from classroom hydration to intense sports sessions. Usability is another strong suit of the Owala Kids FreeSip. The push-button lid is secure and prevents accidental openings, which is crucial for preventing spills in backpacks or lunch bags. However, some users note that the button requires a firm press to open, which could be challenging for younger children or individuals with limited hand strength. While this adds to the bottle's leak-proof reliability, it may be a drawback for those seeking one-handed operation or for users with dexterity concerns. The bottle's size and shape are generally well received, with a 16-ounce capacity being ideal for children and suitable for a full school day. However, a few users mention that the bottle is relatively wide, which may prevent it from fitting in standard car cup holders. This is more of an issue for the larger sizes, but it is something to consider if cup holder compatibility is important for your needs. Despite this, the bottle's balanced weight and comfortable carry loop make it easy for kids to bring along to school, sports, or travel. Cleaning and maintenance are important considerations for any reusable water bottle. The Owala Kids FreeSip is designed for easy disassembly, allowing users to remove each piece for thorough cleaning. This is a significant advantage over bottles with non-removable straws or complex lids. However, some users report that the silicone seal in the lid can develop mold if not cleaned regularly. And once mold appears, it can be difficult to remove completely. Replacement seals are available, but regular cleaning with a dedicated straw brush is recommended to prevent buildup. The wide mouth of the bottle aids in cleaning, but as mentioned earlier, those with larger hands may find it challenging to reach the bottom without a brush. One recurring issue noted by users is the straw occasionally slipping out of place, especially after extended use or travel. While the straw works well when properly seated, some users have found themselves needing to reposition it to restore functionality. This is a minor inconvenience for most, but it can be frustrating if it happens frequently, especially since the dual straw and open mouth design is a primary reason many choose this bottle. The Owala Kids FreeSip is competitively priced, and while some users consider it a bit expensive compared to basic water bottles, the consensus is that the quality, durability, and innovative features justify the cost. The bottle's long lifespan and ability to withstand daily wear and tear make it a worthwhile investment for families seeking a reliable hydration solution for their children. The fun color options and stylish design also contribute to its appeal, making it a favorite among kids and adults alike. In terms of popularity, the Owala Kids FreeSip consistently ranks among the top water bottles in its category. With tens of thousands of positive ratings and a high average score, it is clear that the bottle meets the needs and expectations of a wide range of users. Parents appreciate the leak-proof design and ease of cleaning, while children enjoy the cold drinks, fun colors, and convenient sipping options. The bottle's versatility makes it suitable for school, sports, travel, and everyday use. For those considering the Owala Kids FreeSip, it is important to weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs. The main advantages include the leak-proof, dual-function FreeSip spout, excellent insulation, durable stainless steel construction, and easy-to-carry design. The main drawbacks are the potential for the straw to slip out of place, the need for regular cleaning of the silicone seal, the firm push required to open the lid, and the bottle's width potentially limiting cup holder compatibility. However, most users find these issues to be minor compared to the overall performance and convenience of the bottle. In summary, the Owala Kids FreeSip insulated stainless steel water bottle with straw is a standout product in the world of children's hydration. Its innovative design, reliable leak-proof performance, and impressive insulation make it a top choice for parents and kids alike. The ability to sip through a straw or take a big gulp from the spout provides unmatched versatility, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. The vibrant color options and sleek design add to its appeal, making it a bottle that children are excited to use and parents are happy to trust. If you are looking for a water bottle that combines functionality, durability, and style, the Owala Kids FreeSip is highly recommended. Remember to check the link in the description if you are interested in purchasing, and please share your own experiences in the comments to help others make the best choice for their needs.